Small but mighty, that's what we're going to talk about today. Most people focus on major upgrades to their home when they want to spruce it up. But we're not talking about kitchen remodels or new decks today. Let's talk about small, inexpensive ways you can breathe new life into your house. Number one, swap out fixtures in your kitchen and bathrooms. Things like cabinet door pulls, shower heads, and faucets are all instant tells of how old your house is. Switching out things that you commonly touch in your house will give you, or the person looking to buy, the feeling that the entire house is newer and more updated than it actually is. And in the same vein as the fixtures, swap out old light switches and sockets. Nothing screams old house more than old or mismatched light switches and sockets. Spend a few extra dollars on the rocker switches to give each room a more modern look upon entry. Number three, paint everything, but especially kitchen cabinets. It's a job that takes extra care and finesse, but if you're up to the challenge, painting your kitchen cabinets can completely change the look of your kitchen. That, with the fixture changes, will make your kitchen look brand new. And number four, upgrade some of your lighting. Adding under the cabinet LED lighting is an easy DIY project that is not only functional, but will make your kitchen look more expensive than it actually is. Also, consider replacing larger, bulky stock fixtures with fixtures that are lower profile to add a modern touch to those parts of your home. And finally, number five, power wash your exterior. Power washing your vinyl or brick exterior, patios, sidewalks, and driveways can seriously make your house look brand new. Most of the time, you don't even know how dirty things get since it happens so gradually. Easy, cheap, and effective. You don't always need to go big. If you'd like help with any of these small upgrades, shoot me a message and I can connect you with a professional that I personally recommend.